going on, guys? Today I'm at the Surf Ranch in Nicaragua, and we are located in a little place called San Juan del Sur. This is about maybe a couple minutes from the beach. Small little place, like 20,000 people or so. And yeah, since I've been here in Nicaragua, something I've seen is that there's not many boards or kids with shoes even. And yeah, same goes with skate parks. There's not many, or if any, that I've seen really in this area. So the place I'm staying at now, the Surf Ranch, has a private skate park at it. So this is like one of the only places for people to skate in this area. So really cool that they built it. And yeah, let's check this place out. All right, so this is one of the bar areas. I've seen videos and it gets pretty wild up here. Closed right now because they're building this ridiculous slide into the pool. And this looks like the main bar area, great for pounding seltzers all night. All right, and I'm guessing these are like individual like suites you could rent out, like each little one is its own little like apartment. All right, time to do some skating. Along this dirt road right here and saw this drained pool, looked like perfect to skate. We asked the owners if we could skate it. They were outside and they said yeah, so let's skate this thing. Gracias. Appreciate it. That was ridiculous.
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah.
Ahí recto. No, por aquí. Sí. Ya, es confundiendo. Okay, so this is the trail, this is the little sign of them. So boom, the video start by there. Una su foto también, ¿no?
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Good. Is this your ball?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
What made you build it?
Just being bored
Yeah.
during COVID.
Oh, really? You built it during COVID?
Yeah.
Wow.
With a friend of mine, yeah.
How long did it take?
Like 4 weeks or so.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Like I had like four local dudes
Okay.
helping me out.
Nice. And did you have like any plans? You just kind of like.
No, like we were just freestyling it kind of. Yeah.
That's so sick. Oh, yeah, it looks good.
Everything like really. Everything really tight, but it's fun.
Though. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice meeting you, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much. Every time.
Nice meeting you.